This video is about how to download and use ParkControl, the right way to get maximum performance out of your system. With this tool, you can optimize your CPU and speed up your Windows performance. If you find this guide helpful, please drop a like to help push this video further on YouTube. First, go to the description of this video and click the link I've provided. It'll take you directly to bitsum.com, which is the official website for ParkControl. Once you're there, download the tool. After downloading, open the installer and run it. Click yes when prompted and the program should open up just like this. Now here's where the magic happens. On the AC plugged inside, set core parking index to 100%. Do the same for frequency scaling index, set it to 100% as well. This makes sure all your CPU cores are always awake and ready for gaming, instead of sleeping in the background. If you're on a laptop, you can leave the battery settings lower to save power, but for desktops, crank it all the way to 100%. On the right-hand side, make sure these boxes are checked. Bitsum Dynamic. Boost show power plan change notifications. This ensures ParkControl automatically applies performance tweaks whenever you switch power plans. Now, if you don't see ultimate performance in the drop-down list, don't worry. Here's how to unlock it. Open the command prompt as administrator. Just search CMD, right-click, and choose Run as admin. Copy and paste the command I left in the description. Hit Enter. Now, restart your PC if it doesn't show up immediately. Once back, you should see ultimate performance in the ParkControl dropdown. Select it, click Make Active, then hit Apply. You'll know it's working if all your CPU cores show green, no grayed out ones. If you switch to something like Power Saver, you'll see some cores go to sleep, but with ultimate performance, they all stay awake for maximum FPS. Now, let's do a quick FPS test. With ultimate performance active, my frames are way smoother, with fewer dips and stutters. On my setup, I'm pulling around 400 FPS, depending on the scene. Of course, results vary based on your CPU, but this tweak alone can give you a noticeable boost, especially if you've got a high-core CPU. Now, before ending this video, here is the last step, which is about how to get lower ping in Fortnite. To get started, first you need to download this free tool from the link in my video description. Once you download it, simply install it on your PC. After the installation, launch the program and you'll see the Gear Up Booster interface. The first step is to log in using your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll see all the games currently installed on your PC. If you switch over to the Games tab, you can also browse through thousands of supported games that can be optimized. Now, let's optimize the connection for a game. Head back to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. In my case, I'll choose Fortnite. Click the Boost button and Gear Up will automatically start optimizing the game. The software will scan and find the best possible server for you. Here you'll need to select your server region. Always pick the closest server for the lowest ping and best stability. For me, the middle server gives the best results. Now go to the Node tab where you'll see a full list of available servers. You can either choose the nearest one manually or let Gear Up automatically select the most stable server. For most people, I recommend leaving it on automatic for the best performance and launch your game directly through Gear Up Booster. From here, the tool will handle everything in the background, optimizing your network, reducing ping, and even improving FPS in Fortnite or any other game you play. And that's it. You're now set up with Gear Up Booster to enjoy smoother gameplay with lower latency. This complete guide will make your FPS higher and make your ping that will make your gaming experience a lot better. So make sure to try it and let me know your thoughts in the comments.